Howdy, folks. Welcome to part 3 of a little bit of Germany in big old Texas. Oh my goodness. This was a fun video that Mark made. Terry was filming. She did a wonderful job. Mark and I made spaghetti ice. That's right, spaghetti ice in the Finley kitchen. And we made spaghetti ice Texas style. So stay tuned. Check out the video. We had a lot of fun doing it. Put on your seatbelts, get ready for some laughs, and be driven about spaghetti ice. See you in a second. Howdy, folks, from Dallas, Texas. Mark, how's it going today?
Oh, it's going fantastic.
Hey, what do you want to do today?
I want to go to Europe and Germany.
Okay.
But since we can't, and we're in Texas, we're going to do the next best thing.
What could that be, sir? What could that be?
We're going to make spaghetti ice.
What? Wait. What'd you say?
We're going to make spaghetti ice in Texas style.
We're going to make spaghetti ice Texas style. You know why? Because we're in Texas. We're not in Germany. We're in Texas. And we're going to show you how to make it. Texas style. All right. I'm going to go first, okay?
You go first.
All right. First of all, you get your cream, okay? Your whipped cream. And this is extra creamy cream. So here we go. All right. You got your chilled plate, okay? Now this is Texas style or German style with a Texas flair. How's that? You like that?
That sounds good, yeah.
German style with a Texas flair. All right. All right. Let's see here. Ooh, okay, you gotta get your whipped cream. Make sure you get it nice and juicy. All right. Okay. All right. The next step. Next. I can't talk because I'm so happy we're gonna get this spaghetti ice. Is to have this Bluebell ice cream. Okay, Bluebell vanilla ice cream.
Homemade vanilla.
Homemade vanilla, and we're gonna put it through this strainer here, otherwise known as a jiggamajig. Okay. All right. Now that's a.
Can you spell that?
That's a Darion thing, jiggamajig.
Yeah.
It's a potato press from Darion, and this came from Germany, by the way. Now I have one. Mark has one as well, and here we go.
Ready?
Put it there. All right. Now gaze your eyes on this, folks. Gaze your eyes on this. Oh, look at that. Oh, spaghetti ice. Look at that spaghetti coming. Oh yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh look at that muscle. Oh yes. All right.
All right. Do we need more?
That's good right now for video purposes. All right. Next, okay, we have your spaghetti. Now we need the sauce, right? We need spaghetti sauce. What are we gonna do for spaghetti sauce?
I took a package of strawberries, and I added 3/4 of a cup of I added 1.5 cups of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and I boiled it until it was all smooth. Then I strained out the seeds, and I made the perfect spaghetti ice strawberry sauce.
Oh, look
How
at
about
that.
that?
Oh, yes.
How about that?
Yes, mixture get on this side.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Man, all right.
Okay. Now the next
we are putting Chef RD out of business.
Next thing we're going to do, we have some Ghirardelli white chocolate.
Otherwise known as Weiss Chocolate.
Yes.
So good. Now watch it. We need some cheese, right? We need some cheese for our spaghetti ice.
Right. Got to have Parmesan cheese on spaghetti ice.
All right.
So what we're going to do is take a...
By the way, this is unscripted. We're doing this improv, right?
We're going to take the shredder, and we're going to shred that over and make a nice Parmesan cheese coating over the spaghetti ice. Okay.
Hope your dog's liking this.
Yeah. Go Piglet. All right.
All right.
Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take some lady fingers as breadsticks.
Okay, we need garlic toast, right?
We need garlic toast.
And explain.
So we're going to use lady fingers as our breadstick side. And the next, what would American spaghetti be without meatballs?
Now here's the Texas flair, okay?
That's right. These are cake balls, which is devil's food cake, and what's she used for
Coffee?
No, for the cream. It's buttercream. She mixes cake with buttercream, and she made meatballs.
Yes, thank you, April.
Yes, April Finley.
April made the meatballs,
Yes.
which is
Which
Mark
we've
and
also-
Terry's
Which also
daughter.
sometimes we've used the bite-sized edible cookie dough, which sometimes we can find this at the grocery store, but we used homemade kickballs, and now it's time.
All right.
Get a big spoon, why don't you?
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't see that. I gotta go through. Now, whose is this?
That's yours, man.
Oh my goodness. All right.
You're the guest of honor.
First of all,
You get the first bite.
oh, well, thank you very much. First of all, in closing, let's give Mr. Mark Finley a hand. Everybody out there in YouTube land, give him a hand. Oh, look at Terry. All right, thank you very much, sir.
You're very welcome.
You passed. You passed.
have been an amazing guest, and we love having you
Hey,
in Texas.
I love being here in Texas. A lot of Germany and Texas. And a big hand to Terry, who's filming this right now.
Yay, Terry.
But guys out there, if you want some more video on spaghetti ice, on how to make it, look at my channel, and you will see I have a whole playlist full of spaghetti ice. So, until then, let me see how I get this bite. Let me get the spaghetti ice look. Ready? This is the, here we go. Oh. Well, guys, I'm going to go now. Again, Mark and Terry, thank you for everything. I appreciate it. Appreciate everything. And until then, I'll see you in YouTube land. And as I always say, donkeys and shoes. Oh, wait a minute. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for a lot more. Want me to do it one more time? Donkeys and juice.